Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we are going to learn 20 body parts in English. Let's start learning. Head. This is the head. It is on top of the body. Eye. This is an eye. We see with it. Ear. This is an ear. We hear with it. Nose. This is a nose. We smell with it. Mouth. This is a mouth. We eat and speak. Hand. This is a hand. We use it to hold things. Finger. This is a finger. It is part of the hand. Leg. This is a leg. We use it to walk. Foot. This is a foot. It helps us stand. Arm. This is an arm. It helps us lift things. Hair. This is hair. It grows on the head. Neck. This is the neck. It connects the head and body. Shoulder. This is a shoulder. It supports the arm. Back. This is the back. It supports the body. Chest. This is the chest. It protects the heart. Stomach. This is the stomach. It helps digestion. Knee. This is the knee. It helps us bend. Elbow. This is the elbow. It helps the arm bend. Tooth. This is a tooth. We use it to chew food. Tongue. This is the tongue. We use it to taste. Great job! Now you have learned 20 body parts in English. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.